Thanks for checking out my free tap dance classes. This dance class video is a recording of the free online tap classes that I teach weekly. This is of an intermediate tap level, but I also teach an extreme beginner tap dance class. You can find the link in the description below too. Also join the Facebook below for details on the free tap dance lessons. If you can't attend the weekly live classes, definitely subscribe to this channel so you can learn to tap dance with the tutorials and live class recordings. I also post contests you can enter to win free private tap dance lessons with me. Happy tapping!
Shuffle heel, ready? And 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and switch on the 8. And on the left, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and switch. So on the 3, so 2 heels, shuffle, heel, shuffle, switch. Shuffle, heel, shuffle, switch. How are we doing with that? Let's do this Reese again. 5, 6, ready, go. Shuffle, heel, switch. Shuffle, heel, switch. Yeah? Then for the singles, or shuffle, heel, step, shuffle, heel, step. Five, 6, ready, go. And 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and switch. And 1, and 2, I killed the count, sorry, and 5, and 6, and 7, and switch. And 3, and 2, and stay here and switch. And 3, and 2, and 1, switch. And 1 step, and 1 step.
Thanks for checking out my free tap dance classes. This dance class video is a recording of the free online tap.
Paddle, paddle, heel stank, heel toe, heel stank, heel switch. Paddle, paddle, heel stank, heel toe, heel stank, heel switch. That's what it was. 2 paddles, spank heel toe, blah, 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 whatever, and then reverse. 5, 6, ready, go. Heel, spank, step, heel, spank, step, heel, spank, heel toe, heel, spank, heel switch. Heel, spank, step, heel, spank, step, heel, spank, heel toe, heel, spank, heel switch. So the next thing you do is flap, heel, dig, then 3 spank toe steps, spank toe, step, spank toe, step, spank toe, step. All right, so start from the beginning. 5, 6, ready, and heel, spank, step, heel, spank, step, heel, spank, heel toe, heel, spank, heel switch. Heel, spank, step, heel, spank, step, heel, spank, heel toe. Now flap, heel, heel. Flap, heel, spank toe, step, spank toe, step, spank toe, step. Now it's the heel, rock, rock. So the easy version is put your heel out and rock and put your weight on it and switch. Heel, and switch. You want to make it fancier? Fan it out. But the basic one is heel, step, step. Heel, step, step. And then we added on last week heel, step, spank, step. Heel, step, spank, step. And a bunch of other versions. Brush, heel, down and down. So heel, down and down. Heel, down, down. Do that twice through. Heel, down, down. Now here's what I forgot. Side of your foot, heel together. Side of your foot, heel together. Then the previous thing I put in the wrong spot is heel, down, down, heel, down. So just watch the whole thing. So you hear the rhythm of that? Here we go. Heel, ready, and heel, down, down, toe. together, repeat. Heel, heel, down, down, toe together. Now side, side, heel together. Heels, heel, heel, down, down, heel, heel, down. 5, 6, paddle right. Heel, spank, heel, toe. Oops, switch. Heel, spank, heel, toe. Heel, spank, heel, flap, heel, heel, spank, toe. Step, toe, step. Now heel, rock, heel, step, step. Heel climb, I call it. Heel, heel, down, down, toe together, repeat. Now the side thing, side, heel, step, side, and heels, heel, heel, down, down, heel, heel, jump. Flap, heel, heel. Heel, swivel. Heel climb. Side foot. Heel, heel. The next part, the easier version, shuffle, heel, step, shuffle, heel, step. My version, scuffle, heel, step, heel, step. So you can do shuffle, front, back, heel, step. Or you can do brush, heel, back. So scuffle, you add a heel in the middle. So it goes scuffle, heel, step, scuffle, heel, step, heel, spank, step, heel, and paddle, and paddle. So the rhythm, the 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Yes, I got that in the first try, Allison. Woohoo! Allison was in person with me last week because I wanted to get out of the house and go in there. But boy, I did not count last week at all. 1 and 2, and 3 and 4, 5 and a 6 and a 7 and a 8, and 1 and 2, and 3 and 4, 5 and a 6 and a 7 and a 8. Makes sense with the music. Why don't we do it with the music? Ready, and
dynamite if I can't
you
decide.
part.
Baby, my head and my heart are torturing me, yeah. That's my mind, your arms, I go to extreme, yeah. When they just tell me right, the monster's calling, oh.
That's one. Why is it so hard for me? It's easy. Brush, heel, spank. Step, heel, heel, spank. All right. Brush, heel, spank. Step, heel, heel, spank. Then you repeat it on the left. Brush, heel, spank. Step, heel, heel, step. So without my fancy movements, it's brush, heel, spank, step, heel, heel, spank. How's that? Brush, heel, spank, step, heel, heel, spank. Let me try to do the whole thing in a row, that new part. Sounds much better with the music. 5, 6, ready.
Baby, now and then I think about me now and who I could have been. And then I picture all the perfect that we lived, till I cut the strings on your tiny violin. My mind's got a mind of its own right now, and it makes me hate me. I'll explode like a dynamite if I can't decide, baby.